Streamline sales activities such as quotes, order fulfillment, shipment creation, pricing, discounting, and stock status inquiries with Acumatica's extensive sales order application. Inventory-centric retail merchants, wholesalers, and manufacturers grow sales with item suggestions and retail, point-of-sale, and commerce storefront connectors for omnichannel sales. There are many ways to create sales orders in Acumatica. Enter sales orders manually or convert opportunities to quotes and sales orders from CRM. Manufacturing estimates are easily transformed into quotes or sales orders. Connected EDI automates sales orders from customer purchase orders. Or generate sales orders when related companies create purchase orders with intercompany accounting. Customers can create orders from the customer portal as well. Fulfill orders for counter sales or retail transactions from the native point-of-sale app and connected commerce storefronts. You can also import orders from files or web APIs. Construction and service organizations may sell projects or bypass sales with flexible invoice billing tools. Acumatica also supports contracts with automated invoicing. The Sales Order Workspace provides secured access to settings, activities, reports, and inquiries. Users can easily modify the menu or add items to their favorites list. Improve order accuracy and speed with order types. For example, you can use the sales order with allocation type to automate inventory allocation. Configure data entry, pricing, freight, shipping, invoicing, posting, intercompany transactions, and more. Define approval workflows. For example, you may require approval for orders over $10,000 or discounts that exceed 30%. Tailor notifications so managers can take action via the desktop or mobile app. Define mail and print settings, including report forms and email templates. For example, get paid faster by automating customer emails with a hyperlink to pay online with the integrated payment application. You can also define carriers, shipping zones, terms, ship via codes, FOB points, boxes, and brokers. Hide and rearrange fields and change or delete tab stops for faster data entry. Base pricing is established for inventory items with definitions for price, markups, and costs. Pricing cascades to each warehouse, where some settings may be adjusted. You can refine base prices in sales pricing for promotions with effective and expiration dates, or discounted pricing for quantity breaks. Create pricing for customers or groups of customers with price classes. And use price worksheets with options to export and import prices from Excel for larger scale pricing changes. Quickly create repeat orders using filters to find older customer orders that you can copy and edit to save time. Delete line items, change quantities, and save the order. Alternatively, you can create new sales orders quickly from scratch. Finally, streamline the creation of shipments and invoices with quick processing to expedite order fulfillment. Create orders fast with default values and intelligent type-ahead features, and share information with pop-up notes. Customers exceeding credit limits are automatically placed on hold. Contact accounting or adjust their credit limit if you have security rights to do so. Access side panels for invoices and memos, customer details, and related return documents for more information without leaving sales order entry. Search for items or type the item into order lines. Item suggestions may appear for substitutions, upsell, or cross-sell opportunities to avoid lost sales and increase sales value. Line items may be entered in a form as an alternative to grid entry. Stock quantities are conveniently displayed in the footer for the selected sales order line. Depending on the setup, you may change pricing and apply discounts. Margins are displayed by line item. Items with low stock may be linked to an existing purchase order. You can create a purchase order or drop ship the item from the supplier to your customer. Use matrix items to quickly find stock based on attributes such as size, style, or color. A convenient grid makes it easy to create multiple sales order lines for varied quantities of matrix items. Manufacturers may configure items, prices, and bills of material using the rules-based product configurator with color-coded warnings for invalid configurations. Manufacturers may also create production orders tagged to sales order lines with capable to promise features. Acumatica supports domestic and international sales tax scenarios with exempt certificate management. Manage sales commissions, including split commissions for multiple sales reps. Shop for small parcel carrier rates. Connected apps provide additional options for less than truckload or LTL and full truckload carriers. Accept payment via cash, credit memos, ACH, credit cards, or gift cards with Acumatica's native payment solution. Review totals, including freight, taxes, discounts, and the total margin for the order. Access related activities directly from sales order entry. You can remove holds, create shipments and invoices, and print or email sales orders. You can also create purchase or transfer orders and perform other activities. Take action on multiple orders with the Process Order screen. For example, create child sales orders for predefined blanket sales orders. Tailor business forms, including sales orders, invoices, quotes, warehouse documents, and labels. No-code reporting provides insights into sales order information, such as profitability by item class and item. Ad hoc inquiries help users make sense of sales order information, such as customer order details, with drill downs to source transactions and related documents. Role-based dashboards help sales and customer service leaders to manage by exception with real-time metrics and key performance indicators to take action on issues such as late orders. Acumatica's extensive marketplace empowers organizations to tailor the system with hundreds of advanced applications, manage complex tax scenarios, digitize customer and vendor transactions with EDI, and automate shipments with embedded carrier system integrations. With Acumatica, you can harmonize omnichannel orders from retail point-of-sale applications, commerce storefronts, and marketplaces, and gain efficiencies with advanced apps for pricing, warehouse automation, and more. Streamline and fulfill omnichannel orders with Acumatica Sales Order Management. Grow sales with item suggestions and flexible pricing, and build customer trust and loyalty with self-service options and order transparency. Contact us today to schedule a personalized demonstration.